around this place.
The National Institute of Fashion Technology, Shillong, is looking to the benefit of the Vision Next project in collaboration with the National Institute, Ministry of Textile, Government of India, which is a unique initiative to empower the Indian craft and design community. Addressing a press conference today, Nift Director Shankar Kumar Jha said that the objective of the project is to prepare all related aspects of India's designers, craftsmen and fashion industry for global competition. He further said that this is a historic initiative towards connecting the Indian design and craft community with modern technologies and global trends.
Of course, but in the coming year it will be a paid-based service. So why not we could maximize it to the various stakeholders, whether it is the designer, artisans, weavers. Access is important. That is the purpose of having the press conference, so that people will be aware of this Vision Next, and in day-to-day their work, they can take access of this tool as a forecasting tool and convert the design as per the requirement, as per the market demand.
Nongpo MLA Mayor